In this video, I'm going to teach you how to record while playing Minecraft on your iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The iPad has a screen recording feature that makes it extremely simple to record gameplay of Minecraft or any other game. So all that you need to record your screen while playing Minecraft is to go over to the control center and make sure that you have screen recording available. So open the settings on your iPad, go to Control Center, and in here, make sure that screen recording is inside of your included controls. If you don't see it here, then scroll down, and let's say, for example, this was screen recording. All that you would do is tap the plus sign, and then it will be transferred over to the included controls. So once you have screen recording available, whenever you swipe down from the top or in the corner here, you will see the control center and it should include screen recording. So this will be a basic red dot. By default, it is going to be grayed out. Whenever you tap on it, screen recording will start immediately, and it is going to turn into this white background icon, which indicates that your screen is being recorded. You can also tell because you will see this indicator here next to the Wi-Fi and also the battery percentage. So whenever this is showing or active like this, it means that your screen is being recorded. So now you can go inside of Minecraft, and as long as you swipe down from the top whenever you pause the game at any point, so you can just join a world, join a server, pause the game, swipe down from the top, and then tap the icon. Once the background turns white, you know that it is recording. Once you are satisfied, just tap this button again and it is going to stop the recording. So whenever the background is white and it is currently recording your screen, you can tap on the button again to stop the recording. And once this is done, you can go over to your photos and you will find the Minecraft video that you recorded. This will also work with any other game, so all that you have to do is set up screen recording on your control center. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So by subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.